Today I will tell you about such a powerful supplication, Wazifa, of Allah. My brothers and sisters, every need and every wish of yours, inshallah, will be fulfilled within seconds or minutes. The doors of closed destinies will open, and sustenance and wealth will come into your life from such unexpected places that your mind will be astonished. Just have faith and trust in Allah, the Lord of Honor, and make this practice a part of your life. You can read it daily while walking, moving, or even once if you wish. But my advice is to make it a lifelong habit. My brothers and sisters, your fate will change in such a way that the world will remember you. Those who ignore you today, those who do not respect you or give you importance, will see your transformation. If there are issues between husband and wife, and you want love to grow between them, or if there are constant quarrels in the house, this supplication will help. Any brother or sister facing childlessness, financial troubles, or negative energies at home will also find relief. Inshallah, all worries, illnesses, and problems will disappear within seconds and minutes. This is such a powerful practice that if a person recites Allahu Samad 35 times daily at the prescribed times, they will experience its miraculous effects. But you must understand the proper way and time to read it. This is a powerful supplication for the abundance of wealth, and you will pray for me after seeing its effects in your life. I swear by Allah, this is a supplication that removes sorrows, hardships, and illnesses, bringing sustenance and money from unexpected sources. It is so powerful that those who recite it will be left astonished by its results. Many of my brothers and sisters have faced lifelong financial problems, endless family conflicts, and have been trapped in debt. But those who practice this supplication saw their difficulties vanish as if by a miracle. If your debts do not get paid and your troubles do not go away after this, then you can come and tell me. This is the Wazifa of Allah. Once a person performs this practice, they will never need any other supplication again in their life. They will never have to beg before anyone. Before you extend your hand to anyone for help, try this supplication today and see the blessings of wealth pour upon you. Many sisters say that they are unable to find good marriage proposals despite trying everything. Visiting religious scholars and spiritual healers, many mothers are worried about their daughters' marriages, but this supplication will ensure the best proposals arrive. Married women who feel they are not respected in their homes should also recite this. Whatever problem you are facing, whether it is financial difficulties, family conflicts, joblessness, or even severe illnesses, this practice will bring relief, inshallah. I once told a sister who needed 2 million in currency urgently to recite this supplication. She read it at night, and by morning, arrangements for the money were made. I myself was struggling with financial difficulties when I performed this wazifa, and Allah miraculously provided me with more than I needed. Many sick and troubled people have used this supplication and transformed their lives. This is not an ordinary practice. It is tested and proven. No matter how big the problem, whether it is extreme poverty, unemployment, or financial ruin, this supplication will bring a solution. You can recite this anytime, but the best times are immediately after the Fajr, dawn, and Maghrib, evening, prayers. If you recite it at these times while sitting on the prayer mat, your worries will disappear within seconds or minutes. No matter how big your challenge is, if you perform this wazifa with faith, your circumstances will change miraculously. This is a tried and tested wazifa. If you need children, perform this. If your children's marriages are delayed, perform this. If you are struggling with poverty or unemployment, perform this. If you have started a business and customers are not coming, recite this, and the market will be filled with people. A powerful practice for wealth and relief. There will be a rush at your shop, so you can read this practice while sitting there or at home. The important thing is to read it. The purpose for which you are reading it, the need or desire for which you are seeking help, Either make the intention for it at the beginning or pray for it at the end. Then, witness the rain of wealth with your own eyes. See the miraculous provision appearing before you. Don't believe my words? Just try this practice. Today, try this practice, and then you yourself will say that I have told you a true and effective practice. The life-changing power of this practice. Today, my brothers and sisters, read this practice and then say for yourself that this is truly the practice for which you have been waiting your entire life. By God, your worldly possessions are one thing. Your deeds throughout your life are another. And this practice I am telling you today is on another level. Whoever reads this practice in any situation, standing, sitting, or moving, will see its effects. I have mentioned 2 specific times that are most beneficial for this practice: right after Maghrib, evening, prayer, while sitting on the prayer mat. Right after Fajr, morning prayer, while sitting on the prayer mat. If you can't read it at these times, then read it while moving around. You can read it as many times as you want in a day. Even once is sufficient. How easy this practice is. The method of reading this practice is very easy. It takes just half a minute. You can read it right after Maghrib or Fajr, or any time throughout the day, wherever you are, at home, in the office, at a mosque, madrasa, school, or university. Just for a few moments, sit down wherever you feel comfortable, and with full faith in Allah Almighty, start reading this practice. Do not read it absent-mindedly or carelessly. Read it with a sincere heart and firm belief in Allah Almighty. The immediate benefits. This is not a practice that will take effect in a year. This is a practice that will immediately bring wealth to your home, change your circumstances, bring happiness into your home, open the doors of your destiny and sustenance. Wealth will start flowing into your life from such unexpected sources that you will be astonished. If you are tired of asking people for help, if you are trapped in financial difficulties and hardships, if one problem ends only for another to begin, if you are surrounded by worries and financial struggles, then for God's sake, try this practice just once in your life today. Every problem will be solved. Every need will be fulfilled. The best time to perform this practice. I have explained the 2 best times for this practice. If you read it at these times, the benefits will be immense because millions of people have already changed their lives through this practice. Before starting, make the intention of whatever you desire, whether it's urgent financial help, the marriage of your children, the resolution of family conflicts, or any other need. If you forget to make an intention at the beginning, then pray for it at the end. Or you can do both. Make an intention at the start and pray at the end. How long to read it? Once you start reading the practice, you can read it as many times as you want in a day, for as many days as you want. But you will see results within a single day, inshallah. Allah willing, your destiny will change within a day. Step-by-step method of the practice. Sit down for just half a minute in a quiet place. Read the entire practice in one sitting. Do not break it in between. Do not read part of it, stand up, and then read the rest later. Once you start, complete it in one sitting. The specific verses and supplications to recite first. Read any Darud Sharif once. Immediately after that, recite Man once. Immediately after that, recite Al-Mani, Al-Alim from Surah Al-Kawthar once. After reciting Surah Al-Kawthar, start reciting Yim 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 21 times. After that, recite Allahu Samad 35 times. In the end, read Darud Sharif once again. Final steps and prayer. After completing the practice, pray for your needs and desires. If you want permission to perform this practice, write your name in the comments and like the video. Take care and do not forget to pray. May Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.